Wow.
It's
That's my number 15.
McCurry. Hardwoods. It's Hardwoods. Can't read the name. Nice trucks.
Yeah, they got a nice fleet. There's somebody's around. They're off for the week.
Saturday.
Oh, it is Saturday. Wow. Tie type of mill. Yeah.
No, they're sorting lumber too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a low grade white oak. Well, no, it ain't. No, they got longwood here. Drive around, Mama. There's their tie stacker. That's like our tie stacker used to be. That's pretty cool. I think they're going to have multiple mills. Cool. Do a lot of longer. Got some longer hickory there. I don't know what that's about. Got some long wood here. It's low grade anyways. I don't know what they're cutting in half for the tie. Slow down, Mommy. Oh, I see what's going on. This is the resaws over here, so they're making cants over here. Yeah, they got got quite a bit of money in rolling stock. It's tidy. It's a neat place.
Got a nice knuckle.
Over there, Mommy. There's where the chips come out. And they're loading ramp down there. That's cool.
And there's the bulldozer up there.
Yep, bulldozers up there.
Okay, they do a lot of merchandising. That's what they're going on here. Instead of one big mill, they got multiple small mills.
They got loader somewhere around here because there's loader bucket.
I wonder if they're bringing their logs in long and then cutting them up. That's what they're doing. They're buying by the ton, I bet you. Some gum and beech and stuff. Yep. They're buying by the ton, 20-foot logs. And they're doing ties and interesting.
Ties are really good money right now.
Yeah, ties have been good for a long time now.
It's another.
But if you was committing to ties, this would be the way to do it because you ain't heavily invested in the. You know, they can shut one down or something they needed to. They got a bunch of Volvos. No Clims. Oh, ain't nobody cares. We'll tell them who we are. Swing around the back, Mommy. Yeah. The thing about sawmillers, Levi's, we're all family. No matter where we're at, they're all family. See what kind of carriage they got and stuff. What a nice lot. If any of you guys from this company watch this, you all's got a nice lot.
I think we're in like Pilot Knob.
How coarse that saw does. Yep, they got a circle head rig. They got another sawdust thing here coming out. I wonder what that. Oh, that's the fines for the chipper. So they just got a circle head rig and they're squaring up, and then they're hauling out. They're hauling to other parts of the place. Now, some people will think something like this is, you know, these small satellite spots are inefficient. But what that is they're doing their sorting and stuff that way. So they're not committing to anything, and they could ramp up production at any one or drop production at any one time. And they're buying by the ton. So they're getting mostly low grade wood, but they're doing ties and stuff. I think this is a slick setup.
What is Sawmill?
Yep. I like it, Mommy. Look at that rig. Oh yeah, the lug nut inside that cover is driving me nuts. Cool. I don't know what their output a day is or their labor force is, you know, but what this is set up to take this setup. I'll tell you what my opinion of this setup is. It's a setup designed to take advantage of pricing in different situations.
Yeah, I think
So when something else is up, you can hit more towards this. When something else is up, you can hit more towards that.
Yeah.
And the main bread and butter sitting on that truck right there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I can read their name. I can read on this one.
I think that's the word here. That's number 2.
McCreary.
That's number
McCreary
McCreary
County Hardwoods.
McCreary County Hardwoods, Pine Knot, Kentucky. Nice looking trucks.
Yep. You guys got a tidy operation all the way around. That's impressive. Interesting. Got some nice looking Pete's. All right, let's head down the road,
They
Mommy.
don't have a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah, y'all need a Mexican restaurant. But see, they're loading ties right here in the rail cars.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
It's like cold.
That's opening up their
Okay.
options.
It's on there.
Wow.
It's on there.
That is very cool.
It's
It's very cool. He might want to talk to you. I don't know. It's very cool. Wow, there's the main office and stuff.
Yeah, the logo.
Interesting. Yeah, there's more of it and more to it. Than... That's dimension cut pieces.
Pine
Looks
Knot,
like
this is Pine Knot lumber.
Oh, here's another mill. This is another company. Just down the street. They got cants going over there though. Pallet wood. They're cutting a lot of dimension. Stopper. That's pine there, cut pine. So this mill's gonna be heavier to pine, I guess. But there's hardwood here too. Wow.
Oh, that's where they make the house stuff.
Making
Wow.
runners in there, see? That's pine runners. What was your specifications on the pine, Mommy, for runners? See, there's red oak right there, so that ain't all. It ain't all pine.
It's always inch and a quarter.
Hate to screw up that mill back there. I'd hate to get that mill torn up back there.
I never had anybody come to me wanting a 3-inch piece.
That's the, I think that's an Fulgham style debarker, I believe.
The guy I know could do it like that.
Oh, they're putting their bark in hoppers and hauling off the loader. No, that's a processor. That cuts wood up. They can, it's a pretty neat setup. That's for cutting your wood to length. It's like a, I don't know what their strong point is, but they shorter wood, I'd say. But for processing these shorter length, there's a bunch of little hickory there. That's got to be tie logs. That's all 8 foot. That's like a long 8 foot. Yeah, them's all tie logs there. There's some ash. Chestnut white oak. Mixed with the white oak. Yep, it's all white oak. These tie style logs too. It's all tie timber. I don't know what their mill is. I don't want to go snooping through it. Bruco. They got a band resaw, like a larger band resaw. Wow, this is cool, Mommy. It's like Sawmill Road.
Wow.
I figured we'd see something like this around here somewhere. There's way too much timberland not to have something like it. Oh, Mommy, you got to tour that one.
Everyone uses Volvos around here.
Yeah, a lot of people use the Volvo wheel loaders. That's just,
Back here or not.
gotta keep on driving straight.
I can see the
Them's baker machines in there.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, them some kind of them's staves
Oh.
or whiskey staves. I think. I'm not sure.
Is that part of
Thanks. Take a right, mommy. Cat knuckle boom stuff back here.
Wood is good. I like that.
Yep, wood is good. I don't know what them are, mommy. I think they're staves. No, that was pine. I don't know what them are, though. One thing's for sure, big or small, every one of these operations are neat.
there's a double.
They all these operations are operated neat.
There's a tiger cat.
It's kind of muddy.
It ain't muddy, it's solid over here. Go.
There's a caterpillar. There's a tiger cat.
2054 John Deere loader. This is like what Paul runs. Hang on, mommy.
Look, a bell.
See, that's a shovel. That's what you got for Christmas, Levi, like that.
Ooh. Levi said it was a shovel. He said it was a
We better get out.
There's a 559B on a straight pipe, I assume.
Because any car.
Oh no, they must have been getting exhaust gas in there and making the operator wheezy.
Hey,
Go over here, there's a harvester over here, it's of all met.
that look, that
red
Yeah, there's a tiger cat over there. Yeah.
red machine is on fuel.
These guys get into some pretty small. These guys get into some pretty small stuff on occasions.
Look at red machine. Look at it.
No, don't drive out there, mommy. He's drugged yet. Oh wow, look at all the trailers.
Wow.
Do a lot of setting out and stuff.
Ours would look like that too if y'all parked them next to each other, but
We don't want to
Everything here is based off of buying by the ton. That's all this, all these yards we've been to. Well, the second one I don't know for sure on it, but all these yards. Oh, there's the scales right there. Everybody drives across them when they bring a load in.
yeah.
Everybody buys by the ton. Nobody's buying by the foot here, I don't think.
Right.
Well, that's the same company.
Yeah.
That's the same as the other company. It's the same property.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of them too.
240B, that's running off of gear pumps. This is the main highway. This is the main highway.
Over there. You wanna go there?
Yeah, just real quick. Let's make a quick tour up there. I don't know what them are. Them some kind of live. It look like some kind of stave treatment, but not all of it's white oak, so I don't get that. I don't know what them are, mommy. This is like Sawmill Road, mommy.
I like that Sawmill Road.
So here they're doing some processing. So this guy must be, this might be the same company or might not be, but they're buying timber and processing it and selling. There's some hickory, them sold by the ton, 20-foot-ish lengths. These companies just all been around a while. Well, the one down the road, I don't know how long it's been around. It's got a lot of new equipment in it. But,
Isn't that a tiger cat double?
well, no, that's a knuckle boom. It runs off knuckle boom hydraulics. But yeah, it's a lot like a shovel. That's what, a little smaller than what Luke runs. But it's like the old version of what Luke's running. See, this has got the gear pumps instead of the piston pumps.
Luke's got a pretty big one. Yeah, he's got the big one. I want Luke.
Look over there, there's another sawmill.
Wow, there's another one over there. Pine over here.
Are you gonna look at it
All right, they're all crazy about going and getting food, but that's another good mill over there.
This is apparently a mill city.
Mill City. Sawmill City.
It's cool. This could be a logger. I bet this lot. Yeah, cruise over real
Is
quick.
that the main highway?
No, the main highway's right there.
No, the other main.
Oh yeah, it
The
might
one we're
be.
trying to get to.
We're right beside it. Could be. Watch the potholes.
Okay, let's just hit all of them. I'm so sorry, Bert.
Mommy's hard on her bird.
Oh my gosh.
Wonder how I'd feel in a log truck.
I think that's an old school barcode over there. Yeah, that's one of the old ones.
It would feel bad in a log truck.
Oh, well, no, maybe Daddy was wrong. There's the main road down. Yeah, this will get us to the main road, won't it? There's the main highway. We're taking a right when we get on it.
Oh, there's one right here. Coming towards you, Daddy. Get ready. Right there. Well, Daddy.
Look at that.
Hey, that look like Daddy's top secret project, Levi. It's a, yeah, boy, they got some rough logging up in here, and they're gonna have to have some small units at times.
Yeah,
That's Dave's over there, I think. Just a lot of nice, tidy little mills. Well, not little, they're decent companies. All of them has one thing in common. It looks to me like all look well managed, like they're in business to stay and they know what they're doing.